dear students, this is the part 6 of chapter 10, Sports Day. The school at the Malapuram has its Sports Day. The first 5 children in the long jump are, so here the first 5, okay? Tina 3.50 meter, Meena 4.05 meter, Rehana 4.50 meter, Anu 3.05 meter and Amina 3.35 meter. Okay. So Tina jumped 3.50 meter. Okay. This is the long jump, which is 3 meter and 50 centimeter. What is given, students? 3.50 meter. It means 3 meter full and then 50 centimeter. Clear? But how far did Anu jump? So Anu is a 3.05. It means 3 meter full. So write over here 3 meter. And how many centimeter? So it is a 0.5. It means only 5 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now, who is the winner in the long jump? Who is the winner? So see, 4 meter here, 4 meter here. But here 4 meter and 5 centimeter. Here 4 meter and 50 centimeter. So who is the winner? Of course, Rehana. So here Rehana is the winner. Yes? Okay. Now, write the names of the first, second and third winner on this stand. Okay. So here you have to write first, second and third winner. So who is the first? We know this one. This is a Rehana. Rehana is the first. Who is the second? So we have to check it. Who is the second winner? Yes, Meena, because 4 meter and 5 centimeter. And who is the third? So here 3 meter, 3 meter and 3 meter. But here 35 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 50. So who is the third? Yes, Tina is the second and Rehana is the first. So second is Meena and third is Tina. So here second is Meena. Okay, and here is a Tina. Clear, student? Okay. Now, do you remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter? Yes. Yesterday only I told you how to convert meter into centimeter. Okay. So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 of meter. How? So, see over here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have to find 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? So we have to find 1 centimeter. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? Here put the question mark. Otherwise you can write like this way. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to, we don't know, cross multiplication 1 upon 100, because 1 ones are 1 and over here 100 centimeter. Here 1 is a meter and 1 is a centimeter. Centimeter cut. So what is the left? 1 upon 100 meter. Clear, students? So you can learn like this way also. Otherwise, you can learn like this way also. Centimeter is the small unit and we have to convert into big unit than the centimeter. Meter is a bigger than the centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to divide with the 100. Same way, suppose rupee and paise. Okay, rupee is bigger than the paise. So if we convert paise into rupee, what we have to convert? paise into rupee. Then what we have to do? If we want to convert paise into rupee, think and give the answer, students. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So suppose we want to convert 70 paise is equal to how many rupee? Okay. So what you have to do? Paise is a small unit. We have to convert into big. So we have to divide with the 100 because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Clear? But we have to convert rupee into paise. Rupee is a big, we have to convert into small amount, then we have to multiply with the 100. Here it's the divide with the 100. Clear? So small to big it's the division, big to small is the multiply. With the 100 how we can find? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Suppose over here kg and gram. Okay, so gram is a small unit. So we have to convert gram into kg. So what we have to do? Divide with the which number? So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So divide with the 1000. Okay, kg into gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Big to small. So multiplied with the 1000. Understood? So you have to remember like this way also, and if you are not able to do, then this cross multiplication method is very useful to you to solving almost sum. Okay, but here you have to remember centimeter under centimeter, meter under meter. If you write like this way, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many? Then you have to put the question mark here. Again, methods are same, cross multiplication, and remaining is a division. Understood? So same over here, 1 centimeter multiply by 1 meter divide by 100 centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter cut. 1 ones are 1 meter upon 100. Okay. So anyway you can get the answer. It's not compulsory you have to follow this method or this. Any one which is easy for you, you can follow this method. Clear, student? Okay. Now we also write 1 centimeter as dash meter. So we know 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? Yes. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Now we have to write as decimal. What? How we can write? Here two zeros, we have to put the decimal point after the two digit. One is here, one we have to take the help of 0, decimal point and 0. 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter. Understood, student? Okay. Now, write in meters. 3 meter and 45 centimeter. So, we have to write as a meters. 3 meter and 45 centimeters. So, 3 meter and 45. 3 meter full and 45. It means after decimal point 45. Yes? 99 centimeters. Only centimeter is there. 99. So, what we have to do? 99.0. 0.99. And if you are not able to do, students, what to do? Centimeter to meter. Okay, small to big. So divide with the 100. Why with the 100? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 99 centimeter is equal to how many meter? So divide with the 100. Two digits, so we have to keep the decimal point after 2. So 9 and then decimal point 0.99. Otherwise you can write like this way, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 99 centimeter is equal to how many meter? Cross multiplication, 99 multiply by 1 divide by 100. Very easy. Again 99 by 100. Now we know how to convert fraction to decimal. So here this is the 0.99 meter. Here also meter. Clear? So anyway, answers are same. Okay? If you follow the right method, then answers are same only. Clear, student? So here you have to write 0.99 meter. Then 1 meter and 5 centimeter. See students, 1 meter full, so put the decimal point. Then 5 centimeter, if I will write like this way, 1.5, then this is the 1.50 centimeter. Why? Because after the decimal point we want 2 digit. Why 2 digit students? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In 100 how many zero? 2. So if you write like this way 1.5, then your answer is wrong. This is the 1.50 because after decimal point we want the 2 digits. So it means this is a 1.50 centimeter. Clear? But we want to write 1.5, then 1.05. Clear? Why 0.5? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we want after decimal point 2 digits. Okay. So here this is the 1.05. 0.5 we have to write like this way. So it is the 1 meter and 5 centimeter. Clear? Very good. So here 1.05. Understood? Okay. Now, how big can you get? After breathing out 1.52 meter and on taking deep breath 1.82 meter. So how big can you get? So different in size. What is the difference? Difference means what we have to do? Yeah, the subtraction. So what we have to subtract? Smaller amount from the bigger. Okay, so smaller is a 1.52. So 1.52, 52, we have to subtract from 1.82. Okay, clear students? Now what is the answer? How we can do the subtraction? 1.82 minus 1.52. Decimal point under the decimal point. 2 from the 2, 0, 5 from the 8, 3, 1 from the 1, 0. So 0.30. What is the answer? 0.30 watt meter. Okay, so this is the difference. Do this for yourself and find the difference. You have to try like this way. Okay. You have to grow 45 centimeters more to reach 2-meter height. Okay, you have to grow 45 centimeter more. Understand properly students. Okay, how much more? 45 centimeter more to reach 2-meter height. Okay, it means right now you are 45 centimeters less than the 2 meter. Yes, because we have to grow more 45 centimeters. Then I reach at the 2-meter height. Okay, so what is the Dinesh height in a meter? So right now height is what? So 2 meter minus 45 centimeter. So 0.45 centimeter. Clear students? Why we subtract 45 centimeter? Because we want the current height of the Dinesh. Okay, so here what we have to do? 2 meter minus 0.45 centimeter. Okay, because if you write 45 centimeter then it's wrong because over here meter is given, so we have to write like this way. Clear? Now 2 meters students. So 2 meter it means how many centimeter? 2 meter and 0 centimeter. Right over here meter, here centimeter. We have to subtract 0.45. So 0 decimal point must be under the decimal point and then 4, 5. Now we have to do the simple subtraction. 5 from the 0 not possible. Borrowing 10 from whom? Here 0. So it is a 9. Again from here 1. Okay. So 5 from the 10, 5, 9 from the, 4 from the 9, 5. Decimal point as it is 0 from the 1, 1. So it is 1 meter and 55 centimeter. This is Current height of the Dinesh 1 meter and 55 centimeter. See students, you have to write all these things in your notebook. Okay? You have to learn how to subtract. Clear? Okay. Now, practice time. Okay? Money from the different countries. So over here, chart is given. Okay? And then value change in the rupees. Have you seen any notes or coin used in any other country? Okay, do you see students? Yes, maybe almost. Okay. Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we exchange the money in the different countries. Okay. Korea, which is the currency won. So if we exchange won with our Indian rupee, then we will get for the one won 0.06 rupee. Okay, in Sri Lanka rupee. But Sri Lankan rupee, if we change the one Sri Lankan rupee, then what we get our Indian currency, Indian rupee is 0.43. Same way students, this is the country and this is the currency which is used in particular country. So this is useful to you. Okay, it improve your GK. Now, this rate is on the 4th, 10th, 2017, which means right now these rates are differ. Okay. Now, the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupee? Which one is the most? This is 86, England one. Okay. So, if we exchange 1 pound, okay, then we will get the 86 rupee and 63 paise. So, which one is the most? England. So, you have to write over here England. Okay. Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars. How many USA dollars he sent? 10 as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How many used? 350 rupees for the school trip. How much money was left with him? How much money was left with him? So here we have to find first what's the given by his uncle? 10 USA dollars. So 1 USA dollar, okay, is equal to how many rupees? So write 1 USA dollar is equal to our Indian currency is 65.29 rupee. Okay. Now we have to convert. Wait, students. Yes, USA dollar 65.29 rupee. Now we have to convert the 10 USA dollar. So 10 USA dollars is equal to how much rupee? Don't know. Put the question mark. Cross multiplication 10 multiplied by 65.29 divided by 1. Clear? Now we have to multiply with the 10. So our decimal point move which side? Yes, here. Okay. So our answer is 652.9. Okay. These things already I taught you when we have to multiply with the 10. Our point will move one side. Which? One digit which? Right side. And when we are divide, then one digit left side. Clear? So point will move from here to here. Why one digit? Because we have only one zero. So what is the rupees? 652.9. From these, how much he spent? 350. So left is equal to rupees 652 minus rupees 350, 52.9. Okay. This much rupee 652.9 minus rupees 350. Why 350? Because he spent for the school trip. Now we have to do the subtraction. How we can do? 652 0.9 minus 350. 350 is a full. Then point over here 0. Okay, so 0 from 9, 9, 2 from, sorry, 0 from 2, 2, 5 from the 5, 0, 3 from the 6, 3. So what left over here? 302.9. Okay, so what is the left? Rupees 302.9. Understood? You have to show all these calculations, students, in your notebook. Now I am raising one question, students. This is a 652.9 paise. It means 652 rupee and 9 paise or 90 paise. Yes, 90 paise. Why? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we want after the decimal 2 digit. So here 1 digit is there. So it is not 9 paise. If we will keep over here 0, then it is 90 paise. Suppose I want to write 9 paise, then I have to write 652.09. Understood? Okay, this is not part of your answer, just I am showing you. So you have to write all these things with the nice handwriting in your notebook. This much rupees down statement you have to write 302.90, either 9 rupees left with the Mithun. Okay, same way students, here C, D and E. Okay, please students try to do by yourself. Very easy. Okay, just I explain you. Mazid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1,000 dirhams as salary. How many dirham? 1,000. Okay, Arun's father who is working in Sri Lanka and get the 2,000 Sri Lankan rupee. Who gets the more Indian rupee as a salary? So first we have to check what's the rate for the 1 dirham. So here UAE, where is the UAE? 17 rupees and 79 paise. So here you have to write 1,000 multiply by 17 rupees and 79 paise, and according to Sri Lanka 2,000 multiply by what is the rate? 0.43 Sri Lankan rupee. Okay, so here 0.43. Okay, so how you have to multiply? Simple multiplication first we have to do. Okay, just I am showing you students. 1,000 multiply by 17.79. We have to multiply with the 3 digit. Okay, so our point will move with side. Multiplication it means right side. How many digits? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Here a decimal point will come. Okay, but here digits are there? No. So we have to put the 0. It means 17,790 rupees. It is whose? Mazid's father salary. According to Indian rupee. You have to write nicely. Okay, students. Now we have to find regarding Arun's father. I am standing and writing. I am not able to write properly, students. Arun's father, Sri Lanka. So 2,000 Sri Lankan rupee multiplied by our Indian currency 0.43. Now see students, we have to multiply with the 1,000 then we know we have to move the right side. But here 2,000 is there. What we have to do? I will show you simple multiplication how we have to do. 2,000 multiply by 0.43. This simple multiplication you know very well. 3 zeros are 3 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6. Now for the 4 it is a tens place, so keep 1 0. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8. Now for the 0, 100 plus, so 0 0 and then 0 0 0 0. If you will not do this, then it's okay. Okay, now 0 0 0 6, 8, and here 0 is there. We are not writing 0. Okay. Now, after how many digit we have to put the point? 2 digit. And start. Why 2 digit? Because in our question, we have the 2 digits. Okay. After the decimal point. So, we have to put the decimal point after 2 digit. 1 and 2. So, here we have to keep the decimal point. Clear, students? Start from the right side. So what is the amount? So Arun's father amount is rupees 860 only. Okay. So whose salary? Okay. Who gets the more Indian rupee as a salary? Who? Of course, Mazid's father. So you have to write Mazid's father. So write, students, nicely in your notebook. Okay. Same way, students, D and E, please try to do by yourself. Very easy. Okay. Thank you.